Windows Server 1. In this video, I'm going to explain you what to do if your screen roll over until you're working and your screen rolled over. Just because you press special keyboards exist, or secondly, you just gone to the Windows parameters and change the screen off. It's okay. And plus I'm going to talk about my Minecraft channel. So before starting action, I want you to subscribe and put like to my channel. So let's get started to explain you what to do if your screen rolled over. The first of all, what you have to do is go to the setting and system, then go a little down and find the scale and layout. So then you have to press the display orientation. This function is going to be different in your condition if your screen rolled over. The normal screen orientation is landscape. Then you have to go and press the landscape. So what to do if it's not working? It's okay. So in some computers this is not working, but I'm going to tell you. For example, in my computer the Alt, Control and down key is not working, but I recommend you to check this out. What you have to do, press the first of all Alt Control down button. It doesn't work on my condition. I'd recommend you to do that if you can't just go to the Windows. So if your screen is rolled over, just find a way. I know this it's gonna be a little difficult, but if you will catch the orientation, little details orientation, you can go to the Windows parameters, then you will be here. Then find the system and then go a little down and find a display orientation and landscape. After, it's gonna be the seconds. You have to verify your choice, else it's gonna come back again to the same uncomfortable orientation. Alright guys, so now in the screen you will see which buttons you have to press. I'm gonna show you again. This is Alt, Control and downside. Also use the upside. So another thing which I want to tell you is going to be about my Minecraft channel. The link will be in description. I uploaded the great Minecraft channel, great quality. It's about 1440. I mean the 1440 HD. And plus I worked on quality of the video. I didn't publish the video yesterday. So now you can go to the link and you can enjoy my video. Alright guys, so as you can see now I showed you how to fix your computer problem if your screen orientation is not in comfortable position. Here's a second method to roll your screen orientation. If you're a Python lover, if you want to do everything through Python, what you have to do then create a screen txt and write this program on your Python. But if you don't have a screen rotation import, I mean if it's not working, you have to go to the CMD right here, pip install rotate screen and then press enter. I have been already installed it, so that's why I'm not gonna have problem here. So then secondly what you have to do is your time is not installed, but I don't think that PyCharm is gonna have some problem. If you use PyCharm user, you're not gonna have some problem with time because PyCharm automatically installs the time function when you install the PyCharm. Alright guys, so then then I'm going to go to the inside of this folder, select the screen txt file, then change the format of txt to the py file, then open it with PyCharm. I'm a fast guy. So now we're waiting for PyCharm opening. So while PyCharm is open, I want to talk about Minecraft again because I just made it and worked on it one day. Can you imagine it? And look how great I got the Minecraft. Maybe you will, and look, watch my Minecraft video and give me the score in my comments. Write in comments my score. For example, 10 out of 9, 10 out of 1. It doesn't have a matter what you want to do. So then select the interpreter and wait for installing the binary models and wait for interpreter until the interpreter will get installed. Finally, all the information. Then guys, until it's just working, I want to add something here. So when you will start this program, your screen will be rotate every time, and you're not going to be available to do that. Then we'll press the Control F2 button. Alright, that's great. So then you will be available to stop program. As you can see, stop is Control F2. That's all. That works only for PyCharm. I don't know how it works in the other platforms. I'm talking about PyCharm. So if you don't know how to stop the program after writing this, don't do that because you can lose your orientation. Then it can be some trouble because it's going to be every time just rolling our screen. I'm not going to do that because look at my huge files here. If I will rotate it once, I'm not going to be available to find the great places here. But if you just want it, you can press the run screen